Mastering Manner in English, an introduction to adverbs of manner. Hello, language enthusiasts. Welcome to today's lesson where we dive deep into the world of adverbs of manner. This is a crucial component in the English language that can really elevate your fluency and expressiveness. So, let's start with the basics. Adverbs of manner are words that describe how an action is done. They modify verbs to tell us how something happens or is done. They often answer the question, how? For example, in the sentence, she runs quickly, quickly, is an adverb of manner that tells us how she runs. Placement plays a crucial role in using adverbs of manner correctly. Adverbs of manner mostly come immediately after the verb they modify. For instance, in the sentence, he speaks loudly, the adverb, loudly, comes after the verb, speaks. However, when the verb has an object, the adverb of manner can also come after the object. For example, she read the book quietly. The most common way to form adverbs of manner is by adding "ly" to an adjective. For instance, slow, adjective, becomes, slowly, adverb of manner. However, not all adverbs of manner end in "ly." Some adverbs, like well, fast, hard, do not follow this rule. Therefore, while the "ly" ending can often be a clue, it's important not to rely on it completely. Like many things in English, there are exceptions and irregularities to be aware of. For example, some words like hard can be both an adjective and an adverb, depending on the context. Additionally, some adjectives and adverbs have the same form, like fast or early. Always check the sentence context to determine whether it's an adjective or adverb. That's it for our introduction to adverbs of manner. Remember, these adverbs are all about describing how an action happens. They're key to giving more detail in your sentences and making your English more vivid. As always, practice is the key to mastering these rules. Happy learning, and see you in the next video.